Hey there! In this tutorial, I'll show you step by step on how to use Claude Code with AntiGravity in 2026 and set everything up properly for a smooth workflow. To use Claude Code with AntiGravity, first you must download the extension of Claude Code. To download it, go to Extensions and search for Claude Code. After searching for Claude Code, you can now install Claude Code for VS Studio. Click Install, Trust Publisher and Install. And now you can simply close your extensions and go to your project, and there you would see an icon of Claude Code. You can open it and you can now fill in the details of your subscription in Claude Code so you may able to use Claude Code with AntiGravity. And that's it. If it helps, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this.